but there's still a lot of uncertainty in the economy. And that's the thing that is like, it's one thing like the sector and how much you produce it and how much, but when the economy crashes, none of that matters
at all.
If there's a global recession or if there's an economy crash, then every number could be good and your projections and forecasting, it's not going to matter.
But are there any signs of a recession?
Here's the funny part. Now I give Trump teams credit.
Okay.
Because the Democrats got their ass kicked so bad in this election, the media is going to report if we actually hear a recession this time. Last time they didn't. They changed the skew for what a recession was. If he get 2 negative quarters, it's going to be on every channel in America. He caused a recession.
But there hasn't been a signs of it, right? If we even look at
we have weakening in the bond market.
The bond market. I'm just we're talking about the S&P, and for the last quarter, I think on average is about 13% on earnings, which is a positive sign. Right? That wouldn't be a sign of an economy that is headed toward a recession. Is there a pullback in this sector? For sure. So even if we looked at the next 6 months, the economy, it's really what's going to happen over the next couple of weeks when we figure out what's going to be the impact of these tariffs, who they're going to impact, and how do we combat that.
The lead that he had from the inauguration is gone.
Yes, all those gains have been
that alone is scary. And if he doesn't right that ship, we may drop another 12 or 13%.
As the S&P? Or a specific company.
The stock market is not a direct correlation of a recession. It's a lagging indicator. We have unprecedented territories that we're walking in right now. He's talking about putting tariffs, global tariffs, pretty much. EU, China, Mexico, and Canada. So you putting tariffs on everybody, pretty much. Those are all every global major power you putting tariff on. That's one thing. There's uncertainty as far as the geopolitical aspect of it, as far as Ukraine. And he said he wants to turn Gaza into a resort. That got Saudi Arabia mad.
Who even says that?
The job numbers,
light,
fishy.
Inflation has come down
for now. They said that there's a new virus that came out of China.
COVID-22 already been whooped up.
Variety of different factors that's in the play here. So
COVID-22
and spending. It's like this Doge thing. This could be extremely harmful to America.
The cutbacks.
Yes, because it's like
it's too rapid.
You can't lose. It's like weight loss, right?
Yeah.
If you lose too much weight too fast, that can actually be harmful to you.
Absolutely,
shocks your body. You gotta lose like 5 pounds. You can't just lose 87 pounds in 1 week.
That's dangerous. Cut your leg off to lose 40 pounds.
That's dangerous. Causes complications
for real.
So it's like you putting a shock into the economy by just trying to cut hundreds of billions of dollars. It's going to be interesting how this thing plays out. But I tell you what, if the economy is in turmoil, none of the numbers are going to matter.
Not as much. And the ones that are great are going to rise to the top, and it's going to be a super hyper concentration into the ones. But Microsoft, Nvidia.
Yeah, I feel like that's what we've seen.
Yeah.
Even during the past 3 to 4 years, when you looked at the Russell 100 and those were not moving.
And technically, this is supposed to be a down year. And like we said, historically, the first year of a presidency is pretty flat. The second year of a presidency is down.
Yeah.
And the third year of a presidency is up. So
I think he rewrites these books, though, bro.
Yeah, until he doesn't.
Right.
Until he doesn't.
Yeah, I don't know.
History repeats itself usually.
Yeah.
And the crazy part, he had a great chance to come out to a great start and lead well.
Yeah.
The decisions were just horrible.
But now he has to live on. He's living on the things that he said. We're going to tax them. We're going to tax them. We're going to tax them.
He's not a rational person. He's doing a variety of irrational things.
Yeah.
He's doing a variety of irrational things, right? You can only do irrational things for so long.
Yeah, I'm with you. The uncertainty is not great. It's not good. Doesn't help anybody.
Like the things that he's doing are dangerous.
Yeah.